I'm not let's say, proponing and saying, look, we all should be working from home, because there's clear advantages, to going into the office, collaborating, face-to-face meetings and discussions. But I think, especially within the design process, if you're integrating data-driven decisions within that design process, I think not just in design, but anywhere, it does bring down some of those hurdles, those challenges that work from home can bring. Because, one of those disadvantages I would say from working from home is probably to stem creativity. It probably stems a little bit of communication. But
Hmm.
on that creativity point of view, rather than being dependent on some very, very clever individuals in the business who might come and go, or might have, let's say, some biases, if you aid them with information, if you aid them with data, if you build advanced analytics and predictive modeling to show them what possible future trends would be, if that's not colorway or shape or design. And I really believe that is the driver of innovation.